vlogs in the fucking hood, little bitch, like your body in that ocean, little home. You know, I'm seeing this bitch, nigga.
Christmas lights, nigga.
Christmas lights on your goofy ass, nigga. Wipe your nose on my soul, wipe your fucking nose, nigga. Subscribe right now before you get blasted all stupid, nigga.
Nigga, lick the blunt so it don't get all hard and it breaks. Nigga. Nigga, that's stupid. Nigga, you gonna drown the blunt and shit. Hey, what the fuck? I'm just going wrong.
They ain't trying to race me or
nigga, you can't roll for shit, nigga. Could have been smoking already. Nigga,
I think he's in a rush. Nigga, like your girlfriend's coming over, nigga.
She is. You gonna fuck the game?
Yay!
Your girlfriend's gonna fuck the game! Nigga, look at that soggy ass fucking blunt, nigga.
Nigga, it's not, nigga.
Nigga, fucking blunt asking for help, nigga. This shit's soggy as fuck.
No, it's not. How you? It was good. I put a little bit. I didn't even put no fucking lot. I'm big brain.
This how a blunt look, nigga. Show me your blunt.
How you? It was good.
Alright. If you can't roll fat, don't roll fat. And if you do want to roll fat, sit down and roll over this thing. So you do not drop everywhere. And then the rats don't smoke are allowed, man.
Don't you got a grinder or some shit?
Nah, nigga, it comes like that.
Damn, they finesse.
Hell nah, nigga, you know how much I got of that shit? It's loud, it's just, it's the bottom of the bag. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I smoke with anything. That nugging shit is for niggas that be reselling it. They have to make it look pretty.
Haha.
I just smoke the bottom of the bags, all this shit I don't want to buy this stuff. They all got chemicals in it. I'm about to be smoking right now.
You smoking on quiet. What the fuck? Then they roll and they say smoking quiet.
I mean, they can say what they want, nigga, but they won't say it to my face in person, nigga.
Damn, you heard that? Damn.
Nobody would say it to my face in person, nigga, if I pull a switchy out on my ass. I don't even give a fuck about a switchy. I'll fight you too, nigga, and beat the fuck out you and your mom and dad. You gonna come home and have your mama in a headlock, nigga. Talking all that shit.
Then you invited him. He said on my soul, this nigga I'm a fan. What the fuck? Well, you invited the girl over to fucking enter your house, nigga.
Yeah, I do that. Okay.
It's savage.
Tell a girl to enter your house.
See, I gotta get my own house first.
Trying to scam. Oh, I'm already done rolling. Yeah, goofy. You don't know how to.
Just holla at the shit. Now I'm trying to go live on stupid. After he shoot 5 times, then I then pass it to me, then I shoot. You know what I'm saying?
Then he shoots.
Oh, stupid.
Yeah.
I forced some Christmas lights on their head. You know?
Yeah.
Take that back to Jordan. Yeah, it's in my pocket. I'm on my way. I'm finna smoke young spike.
You gotta find a way to send that shit to Jordan, nigga. Hey, they got guns. Nah, they got guns over there. Nigga, why don't you just buy one over there? Yeah. They have guns, nigga. What we gotta take to Jordan, nigga, is weed. Weed seeds to Jordan. That's what we gotta do, nigga.
Oh, yeah, he's a big brain.
Gotta get weed seeds to Jordan, nigga. The fucking weather's perfect for it. All we gotta do is order some dirt, because they got sand, nigga. We need some dirt, and we grow some weed to Jordan.
I need your light.
Damn, imagine that was 12, nigga. You reaching and it's a white SUV and he reaching, nigga. That shit look like 12 and he's reaching. What the fuck?
I'm gonna zip my shit up.
Oh, okay, good. I thought you was.
I'm gonna zip.
This nigga.
Yeah, don't give it to nobody else. Stop. I'm gonna buy a new lighter. The lighter we got from the fucking
Imagine all that mist, but it's red mist, nigga, because it's your blood, bitch. Pop you in your head, nigga. Phone him.
And we got DJ.
DJ. We don't fucking with no FFJs either, nigga. We got the pizza rolls for you. We don't get passports to this bitch who's spoken. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh wow.
Real. I get Kato revolver. Kato revolver in his house.
Safety.
Yeah, safety, because I don't even use that bitch. So.
No, Khaled, the guy who pranks his customers, he right here on 59th and Hofstad. Can I say hello?
Nah, fuck them internet, nigga.
He's a TikToker, what the fuck?
He's on 59th and Hofstad?
Yeah.
Tell him to come more down this way.
In the gas station. He moved from another gas station to this one.
You a TikToker?
Yeah, we don't fuck with TikTokers.
He be giving us the pink lighter when we ask for dick? Give us pink lighter?
Prank him. Yeah, this is what we're going to prank him back.
Motherfucker Aki-Wave, bitch. Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese, the Aki-Wave. Even my blunt smoking, nigga. I mean, even my gun smoking, nigga. My gun high, nigga. My gun high, nigga.
Then we got two ops watching. Play some FBG duck. He said, I'm scared on 4 and them. Jordan's has better weed. Jordan has. Oh, my soul. That gun is too heavy for you. Then he said that gun is too heavy for you, G.I.
Damn. Nah, G.I.'s could bust this bitch. G.I.'s could do it. I believe in this nigga. Oh, dude.
He's going live every day till the ops fly. Screenshot this and send it to the ops. Dang, he roasting us to shoot my phone. He's a broke boy.
I didn't see my pants, boy. It was people gas, boy.
Imagine.
Those people who gas, boy.
Now this nigga don't even know what we talk about, nigga. We got Jordans on our feet, nigga. We got True Religion on our ass, nigga. Beat your ass, nigga. Don't say that shit to our face, nigga.
Okay.
I slap the fuck out you, nigga. So turn the laser on.
Yeah, wow. Let's go with the batteries on this bitch.
It's like 10 hours. And that it's a cold.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this shit for another fucking music video.
Go ahead, stop the live and do video real quick while your blunt's still big as shit. Before that bitch to the ass.
I'm gonna use the live stream.
Oh well, go ahead, use the live stream then.
You gotta get closer and shit. Way closer, because I gotta see the blunt.
And you gotta do little dances too, because you're gonna, yeah. Because you gotta skip, like, it's gonna skip to the other dances and other things. Oh, damn, he don't want to go into it. He embarrassed because y'all niggas watching.
No, I don't know dance. We don't dance on their grave. Dance on their grave. Dance on their grave. Dance on their grave. You get started, boy. Come on. You put it on 4.
Hold on a second, get started.
Hey, you didn't touch?
Pop out, nigga. Pop out, nigga. Smoke it out, you bitch.
Another kitty dog.
GI is. Hey, read this shit, nigga. I can't read that shit. Your phone's dark as hell. How do you see it?
Nah, it's gonna run to the battery. You just read it.
Connect the Wi-Fi. We need better connection. GS, who is this clown thinking he can outdance you? Pop out, gang.
Tell them niggas pop out, G. We'll go get them right now.
No one's saying pop out.
Alright.
They're saying that you're a clown and you dance better than me. They're saying that they're roasting you. Oh no, Wi-Fi, you broke. No, we smoke Za, and this is what happens on planet Earth. No detail. We don't talk, and we don't do it. We just smoke off like every day. Oh, stupid. You saying, hey, every going on left like it's a joke. The ass another oh, to that super oh, then that double look like wow, whoa. You said one play like 17. Money in their heads, all my fingers green. I'm just talking outside with that laser and no drink. On their head smoking frozen up his beans.
Damn, we've been here for 24 minutes already.
Nope, that's what happens on Earth.
That shit is crazy. It felt like 10.
Maybe this is up here. Got to straight that bottom shoes.
Yeah.
As a fan, your life is in that box in a good detail.